Hi guys, this is Deepa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So if you're someone who loves watching makeup, fashion and beauty related content, then you must check out my videos. And also take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification to get the future update. So today in this video, as there is no makeup on my face, I thought of sharing with you guys a body relaxation session, a little spa at home. Not a spa, it's just a relaxation to my body. So let's get in the video. So I'll show you मैंने क्या क्या लिया. So first I'm taking this coffee body scrub, and their coffee body oil is their body polishing oil from Caffeine, and the ingredients I'll be using. I have aloe vera gel, and I have a D10 pack from O3. And then I have rose water. So there's not the rose water bottle. I have taken this because of the spray. And then the wooden roller that I got from the same brand, and a multani mitti. So here's a bit lighting. मैंने लगा कि चलो relax कर ही रहे हैं. So let's little lamp over there. So yeah, ऐसा कुछ खास फर्क पड़ा नहीं है because हमरे में उतना अच्छे से आ नहीं रहा था. So I have again lit a smoke. So first I'll use a body oil, a body polishing oil, and this is from the Caffeine. It's their Naked and Raw Coffee Body Polishing Oil. It has little coffee seeds in it, if you guys can see. So I'll massage this oil all over my body, and it has a pump. I'll show you the consistency. It's liquid. I frequently use any body oil or any hair oil in that case, but anyway, यहाँ पे मैं ये वाला body oil use करने वाली हूँ. So I'll take a bit amount of it, and the consistency is liquidy. So I'll be applying it all over my legs, starting from my toes. So coffee, known as anti-inflammatory and contains enzymes that do detoxification. So it also known that coffee seeds has antioxidant which helps again fight aging. So that's a pretty good fact. I'm not sure about it, but coffee seeds oil can increase collagen and elastin, making the skin look a feel firmer. So I'm massaging with the wooden roller I've got in that package. Yeah, so it helps to spreading the oil even deeper and better way. So my next leg में भी कर रही हूँ. I'm taking the similar amount of oil, and again starting from my toes to the upwards motion, and trust me, it was like my skin was soaking the oil within second. It was like my skin, my legs are asking for the oils कि थोड़ा सा तो moisturization दे दो मुझे. And yeah, that's the way I was massaging my legs, and again I was taking help from that wooden roller. Yeah. So the roller थोड़ा सा stiff था, but if you oil the roller itself within once in a week ये flexible हो जाता है. Yeah, so that's the way I was like doing oil massaging, my first step. So next I'll apply a body scrub from the same brand, Caffeine. Is their Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. It has a spatula. With the help of this scrub, I'll scrub all over my body. So that's not the consistency, ये dry है, but मेरे bottle में पानी चला गया था, so ये ऐसे हो गया है. Yeah, so I have started applying this scrub, and I'm applying a little bit water at a time जो मैंने एक bowl में ले लिया था. तो ये ज़्यादा ड्राई अप्लाई करने से there is more chances कि ये अच्छे से spread ना हो. तो इसको हमेशा I can't show you in a shower, but पहले अच्छे से बॉडी को भिगाने के बाद ही ऊपर से अप्लाई करना पड़ता है. So I haven't done it, तो इसलिए मैं पानी ऊपर से ले रही हूँ, and this in a easier way. So let me tell you few things about body scrubbing. So body scrub remove dead skin cells and it has several benefits as well. So you may say they unclog our pores and prevents ingrown hairs, जो मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. I have problems in ingrown hairs, तो उसके बाद ही कुछ there is a different story anyway. And it leaves our skin a very smooth and more even. So if you have normal or oily skin, you can use, or you can try this scrub for twice a week maybe. But we shouldn't use scrub on a daily basis because over exfoliation can leave our skin dry and sensitive and it may irritate. So if your skin is dry, you may want to exfoliate only once in a week. And for sensitive skin, you please consult your dermatologist first, or या फिर एक patch test कर लो. Coffee has antioxidant, which I have mentioned before, and which gives instant glow to your skin. So yeah, that's the way I'm scrubbing all over my feet, my legs, and that's a relaxation, I must admit. Next, I'll massage with the aloe vera gel, and this aloe vera gel is from Patanjali. So next I'm massaging my leg with the aloe vera gel, and this gel is from Patanjali. So if you guys can extract from plant, that's the best way. पर मेरा तो थोड़ा सा हेक्टिक हो जाता है, तो इसलिए मैं ये रेडीमेड यूज़ करती हूँ. Yeah, so there are several benefits of using aloe vera gel. So I'm massaging, and this a cut I got when I went to Mayapur from my shoes because I was wearing it for too long and that shoe was a bit tight. So let's see, people say that aloe vera can fight the dark spots as well. देखते हैं जाता है कि नहीं, but there is still no update. It's more than a week I have shot this video, so I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah. After massaging, I'll apply a detain pack, and this is from O3. Is their O3 Professional Detain Pack. So there's a detained container. It's a pretty big container. ये almost 1 साल तक चल जाता है easily if you apply it once in a month, और या फिर जब भी tan हो आपको. So yeah, ये मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया हुआ है. So I have applied the detain all over my legs with the help of a brush, and I'll keep it till it dry. उसके बाद with a damp sponge I'm removing it. You can simply wash it off, it's fine. So इसे अच्छे से remove कर लूँगी. Then I'll apply a multani mitti pack. I'll show you how I make. I'll mix it with a rose water mostly. So this is multani mitti. मैंने इसको एक bowl में ले लिया है, and now I'll add rose water. So rose water, this is spray bottle, तो उसको ऐड करने से पहले, बिकॉज मुल्तानी मिट्टी इज ड्राई, एक हाथ उधर रख लेने, वरना ये स्प्रिंकल अप होके बाहर गिर जाता है. या दैट्स अगेन हैपनिंग. सो थोड़ा बहुत करेगा तो इज़ बेटर कि आप स्प्रे ना करके बॉटल से निकाल लें. बट उसमें क्या होता है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा की जाए तो आई हैव टू अगेन ऐड अनदर अमाउंट ऑफ मुल्तानी मिट्टी, तो इसलिए मैं स्प्रे कर लेती हूँ. So yeah, so that's the mix I got after so many sprays, and now this pack I will apply all over my leg and hands. Yeah, so I'm spreading the pack all over my legs. Cool. So multani mitti is a rich source of magnesium chloride, which helps fight acne and prevents breakout. It also helps to eliminate the excessive production of oil in especially our face, and skin में भी करता है if you have a oily skin. नहीं तो ये simply clean कर देता है. So it against keeping our pores from clogging. So it also has a clarifying effect on our skin, which is rich content of minerals that help eliminate dirt and grime. That's for sure. Yeah, so like this I'll spread it all over my legs and let it dry. So after 15 minutes ये dry थोड़ा सा हो गया, पर इस साइड पे नहीं हुआ है. When it fully dried ये पूरा white cast हो जाएगा. So you'll get to know कि ये dry हो गया है, and now the time to remove it. So I'll keep it for 10 more minutes. Yeah, So now it completely dried and I'm wiping this off with the same damp sponge. You can again simply wash it off with water. उसके बाद I'll wash it off with water. So I'm repeating the process on my hands as well. तो मैं इसको fast forward कर रही हूँ. So I have applied the oil. Now I'm applying scrub all over my hands and massaging it very well with a little bit amount of water at a time. Yeah, then I'm applying the aloe vera gel and massaging it well. Then I have applied the detain pack. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please give this video a thumbs up, and you can also share it with your friends. And you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID and this is my Instagram feed. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.